Hi, this is Rian from Must Be Noob. In this lab guide, we will learn the steps to add storage to existing storage pool using Server Manager in Windows Server 2019. We have configured a Windows storage pool and we just added additional storage to the server to expand it. Let's see how we can do that. First of all, I'm going to open Server Manager. To do that, I'm going to click on Start button and last click on Server Manager. On Server Manager dashboard, we need to click on File and Storage Services. First of all, I'm going to click on Disk. And as you can see, this is the disk which we have added to our server with the capacity of 127 GB. Let's click on Storage Pool. Here, this is our storage pool which we have created in past lab guides with the name Pool 1. And as you can see, the total capacity is 253 GB. So now let's add that disk to our storage pool to extend the capacity of our storage pool. To do that, I'm going to select our storage pool, which is Pool 1, right click on it, and here we have options to add a physical disk. Let's click on it. Let's select the disk. As you can see, the capacity is 127 GB. Existing capacity is 253 GB and we are adding 127 GB more. Let's click on OK. Let's wait for a few seconds and that's it. Now you can see the new capacity of our storage pool is 379 GB. So in this lab guide, we have learned the steps to add storage to existing storage pool using Server Manager. As well as in the last lab guide, we have seen the steps to how to extend, or you can say how to resize the capacity of virtual disk and volumes which you have created under storage pool.